Welcome, you guys. Hi, how are you guys doing? Excuse me. I'm just outside enjoying this beautiful nature sounds and the beautiful weather. I kind of took me a little slight nap earlier. I fell asleep during the movie me and Zay was watching called Sinners. I actually liked it what I watched, but I had fell asleep. But the girls are out in the front playing. I'm just chilling. And Zay's in the house. Hope everybody's doing fine. Look at it, y'all. Looks like it's just in the rain. Let me go ahead and do a thumbnail before I forget. Alright, I don't know. I'm trying to figure something out. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just chilling, y'all. Look at this. The nature's been growing crazy, tremendously, y'all. Look at these leaves. They're huge. Look at those. Like seriously, like they're bigger than my hand. Look at those. Wow. Like, oh my God. That is incredible. Let's go show Zay. We seen these last year. There's more over here, y'all. We seen these last year, and I guess they all died away. They all kind of got bad, you know. But now they're back, y'all. Cool, right? Never seen really huge leaves like this inside Kent, Illinois. That's weird, but they're really cool. It's a bursting right up there, y'all. See it? But yeah, I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you guys are doing perfect. Stay tuned, stay motivated, stay positive. Do what you gotta do to make your life right. Do what you gotta do to get settled, and whatever you have to do, just do it. Where's Zay at? Zay. Look. See this big old leaf? It's a whole bunch of them over there. What you doing? Alright, y'all. Sorry, I'm back. But anyways, yeah, so today has been really actually a pretty good day so far, y'all. The kids were so good today. They almost filled their potty chart up, but I don't think we have any more stickers, so when they use it, I'm gonna just have to remember like to put the stickers up on there when we get some more. But for now, they're good. But yeah, anyways, yo, I'm just admiring these clouds. Like, look at this. I can't tell if it's like dark or it's like just in the rain, because sometimes it looks like that and it doesn't even rain. But yeah, I'm so getting tired of these things also, y'all. These things, I'm getting tired of those being on the ground. I don't know. They just make the ground look so messy. Like, I don't know. But yeah. I'm gonna go check on the girls here in a minute. They're in the front playing. They've been outside earlier, but when Baby K got home from school, they went back out. So that's what they're doing now. And I'm just walking around. You know, baby's getting big. Trying to do some exercise for the baby and trying to stay healthy as much as I can. But yeah, so doing what I can while I can before baby gets here. And yeah. So, but anyways, I will catch you guys soon. Probably when the kids comes back in the house, because they're in the front and I want them to enjoy their time right now. But I will be back shortly. And yeah. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm bored. I'm just walking around. Anyways, we'll catch y'all soon. Peace.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all? How you guys doing on this lovely, beautiful night? Hope you guys are having a special day. No matter what the circumstances are. What you looking at?
Man, just scratch me.
Hope y'all having a beautiful night. What you doing right now?
Showing the time. It's 9:15, y'all. Don't mind my cracked out phone.
How you feeling today?
I feel amazing. They're wonderful.
How are you feeling spiritually?
I'm feeling blessed.
That's good.
Positive. Yeah. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good, amazing, beautiful, unique, just all of the above. But I hope they all having a wonderful day today.
Yeah, what if it's get, what if it's get the girls who ready to lay down shortly? It's already 9:16, y'all. I was supposed to lay them down like an hour ago.
That's kind of good we let them stay up.
Yeah.
Because we got the results back, but
They didn't tell us
they
nothing.
still ain't tell us nothing. I'm talking about online. Online
So
still ain't
I
tell
gotta
us
call
nothing.
them in the morning, and I left the doctor a message. Hopefully she'll call me in the morning.
Yeah.
If not, I'm gonna call her and just let her know, like, let my provider know, like, what's going on, because she doesn't know what's going on.
Yeah.
So let her know what's going on, like, within, like, regarding to the ultrasound appointment, and then my online results and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully we can see what she's got to say. Because I don't go see her until June 22nd, I think it is.
She probably called you in earlier since she's going to tell her this.
Yeah.
But let's just hope.
Maybe it's something else we need to do with the online thing
Yeah.
to find the results. I don't know. Hopefully she just say, oh, okay, well, I could just send you a link or something. I don't know. But yeah, so that's something now we're struggling with now to see the results. But other than that, I think I'm doing fine.
Me too.
Had a good day today. We went
Me too.
outside. It was really nice and beautiful today,
For
y'all.
real.
Kids played for a while. They enjoyed themselves. They got upset when we said it was time to come in, but hey, it is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do.
Facts. And I watched Sinners today. It was amazing. I'm not even gonna spoil it for the people who didn't watch it. Sinners is amazing. That is an amazing movie. I could watch it again if I really wanted to.
Now it's time for me and you to find us something to watch together tonight after the kids go to sleep.
Really? After we was watching Sinners together, and she went and fell asleep on me?
Yeah.
Really? Why you watching and fall asleep on me?
I don't know why I fell asleep. I wasn't even tired. Thinking I was just like laying there and comfortable. You know, you ever had that time? You ever had that moment where like you're not sleepy, but when you get in position, you lay down, you get so comfortable, it's like you just fall right to sleep.
Yeah, I believe
That's how I technically was. I wasn't trying to go to sleep. I just lay there and I just got too comfortable and I just fell asleep. But yeah.
We was having a relationship thing. We was having a couple thing. She really had to fall asleep on me. Like, why?
Yeah, Zay's in his feelings right now.
But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video so far. Peace. This is really like a little update on the family as a whole.
Well, we're not going to have another clip. We're just going to go ahead and finish this off for like 2 more minutes, then we're going to end it. Because ain't this video I did earlier? Yeah, we're just going to end it. But, like I said, we're probably going to let the girls play for about another 15 minutes, maybe.
Hello, Mama.
And then get them ready to lay down.
Okay, we finna help you.
And yeah, so, hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, we're back. Whoa, we come say hi. Whoa, come say hi. Whoa, you say hi? Anyways, it's us again, y'all. But we're going to get off here. We're going to get them ready to lay down. And go ahead and call it a night, you guys. And we will catch up with you guys in the morning when we wake up.
Peace.
We're going to try to go live tomorrow, too.
Yep.
So, stay tuned. Without further ado, catch y'all tomorrow. Good night.
Peace.